Hello, sixth graders. I wanted to walk through the Desmos activity with you that you are working on today. It is based on unit rate, and it's all about you looking at which deal is the best deal to take. So the first part of this is just you making a prediction. So it's asking which pack of pencils do you think is likely to be a better deal? So do you think it's going to be a better deal to take the 5-pack or the 20-pack? So there is no real right or wrong answer. It's just you making a prediction, you thinking about what is going to be the best outcome. So select whatever one you think and then click next. Important information. What information about the pencils would help you make a more informed choice? So this one might be slightly obvious, maybe not, but think about if you were buying those pencils at the store, what would influence your decision? What information would you need to know in order to make the best purchase? So you're going to write in that response here and then click share with class. Lost my train of thought. Okay, so then better deal number 1. So then now they're giving you some more information about the pencils. So make your final decision, which pack is a better deal. So in this case, you might want to think about what we did with the run activity. So with the run activity, you did an activity like running, walking, skipping, whatever, across 40 feet, and you got timed. But in order to really compare your different rates, we need to see the unit rate. So if you really want to see that your run is faster than your walk, then you need to set them up so that they're compared the same way. So with this kind of problem, you have a 5-pack that's $1.25. You have a 20-pack that's $4. In this case, looking at this, we can't see really which one is the better deal. I mean, in my mind, first thought, 5-pack $1.25 because it's only $1.25. It's cheaper than $4. But you need to think about the unit rate. You need to think about how much one pencil costs. Because if you think about how much one pencil is, then that's going to help you make a more informed decision. So if you do a little calculating here, let me pull up a calculator. Just to practice too, calculating the unit rate. Let's say I want to find the unit rate of the 5-pack. I'm going to take $1.25. That's the price of the whole pack, and I'm going to divide it by 5 because I have 5 pencils. So that tells me that each pencil is 25 cents. Not too shabby, okay? But this is called the unit rate, the price per pencil, okay? Let's look at the 20-pack. So we know the 5-pack, it's 25 cents per pencil. Let's look at the 20-pack. So I'm going to do $4 divided by 20. Okay, so now that's showing me that each pencil in the 20-pack is only 20 cents. So now we have these unit rates that we can compare. In the 5-pack, the unit rate is 25 cents per pencil. In the 20-pack, it's 20 cents per pencil. So in this case, you would want to select the 20-pack and then explain what we just did to get your answer. Okay. Moving forward from that problem, they're very similar to this one. It's all about finding the unit rate and then using that unit rate to compare the two deals and select the better deal. So would you rather have 12 apples for $9 or 54 apples for $36? So see if you can calculate the unit rate the same way. Which box of crackers is the better deal? And then now you can describe your strategy. So maybe review this video. Sorry, my cats are going crazy. Review this video if you need to hear this re-explained, and then put in your own words how you would calculate the unit rate. And then talk about what is the unit rate. So answer a couple questions with that. Now this is looking at a table. So you're looking at rates in a different way. But it's basically the same kind of problem. Small box is $9 for 12 pounds. Large box is $18 for 30 pounds. So right now, one of these is a better deal than the other. Change one value in the table so that they represent the same deal. So that means that you need to change them so that they have the same unit rate. So the same price per pound. And I keep needing to move myself. Okay, so then in this one, you're looking at a graph. So this shows the fuel efficiency for the DeWagon and the Desvan. Oh, get it, because it's Desmos. Deswagon and Desvan. Which vehicle has the better fuel efficiency? So looking at the wagon versus the van, this is a graph, this is a table. So you're looking at, again, kind of where it's going to land at that unit rate at 1, and see if you can compare them. Or if you were to plot these points, which one would give you the better deal? So in this case, you would want your line to have, to kind of be in the middle, because you would want, or actually you would want it to be, I'm trying to think off the top of my head. You would want more mileage for less gas. So the Deswagon is saying that for 4 gallons of gas, you can go about 80 miles. Okay, so 4 gallons of gas, 80 miles. The Desvan, you can go 3 gallons of gas, 72 miles. So you need to see how those two kind of compare. So again, you can look at the unit rate. How many miles would you get on 1 gallon of gas? And then that's your last question here, which is why it's the most challenging one. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I can re-explain something to you. But I'm looking forward to looking at your responses, and your class codes are all posted in Classroom. Have a great day, guys. Bye.